How to copy and paste a picture in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Canva on your web browser, and then once you have a picture uploaded in a document, then if you want to copy it, then you can just right click on the image and you'll find the copy option. Tap on it and just come to a blank space where you want to paste it, or you can even add a new page, and then here right click on the blank space and you'll find the paste option. That's it. It's as simple as that. You can even use the shortcuts Control C to copy and Control V to paste. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.